Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, Remodelaholic. I'm Justin, and today I'm in the basement, and I wanted to show you a room that I haven't shown you yet because at the time it was full of mattresses and things that it was just hard to see what was going on. So I'm going to show you right now how this room is turning out. So recently we got this door installed. We just finished the trim, so that's ready for paint. But if we go in here, these are original cabinets to the house that we kept, and we're gonna paint and maybe even switch out the hardware, this old hardware. But right now I've got the doors off because I added this trim down below, and I had to cut the doors to make them work with the current hinge location. So this is a nice little bedroom we have, almost ready and finished with the paint. So we have the plumbing for the kitchen goes right down here, and so we have a little access area down here that we're providing for the plumbing for when we have to clean that out, if we ever have to do that. This little nook, we decided, why not? Let's add a little nook that we can put some shelves in here, little bookshelves, knickknacks, whatever you want in this bedroom. We did have this window updated years ago, and it turned out really nice. We got a new window well in there. We're going to be adding some gravel, just making it look really nice from the bedroom, so it doesn't look so dirty. But I recently finished this. We actually changed our minds a little bit, and that's why this hasn't been finished like all of this has. We decided to come in, do this nook. So now it's all finished. It's got drywall paint on it. All we have to do is paint the walls like the rest of the walls, and all the walls in here would be finished. We've got our base molding. This is a 5 1/4 tall base molding. Right here I've got to adjust this and cut it back a little bit so it'll fit. It's just a little too close to the wall. One thing about this room, we're gonna do carpet. So all of this is gonna be carpeted. And it's unfortunate because there's a lot of up and down in this concrete floor. So hopefully we'll have a good padding that will help feel like it's gonna be smoothed out once we get the carpet in. There's a little nook over here with another cabinet. So once again, these are original doors. They're not the most spectacular doors, but we'll update this hardware. I think these were done. This house is a 1960s house, but I think they had some remodeling done in the 80s. We're actually the second owners of this house. We added a light right here, which is really nice to have additional lighting in this corner. We didn't have lighting in this corner before. It was really dark. So once I get these doors cut, we'll put these back in place. But this is behind the stairs, so there's actually a lot of deep storage going on inside here. So plenty of room for closets. We've talked about updating the space in the future with maybe better organized closets. We do a lot of IKEA closets, and this could easily be reorganized a lot better. Right now we're just using these bins to organize clothing and toys and things like that. So this is how this space is turning out. It's pretty exciting. We added these lights. It only had one light fixture in here before, and now we have 6 lights. Again, these are the 6-inch lights from the previous video. I'll leave a link to those so you can find out where to get those if you want them. These lights, again, they're really cool. They have 3 different colors, a cool, a medium, and a warm color. So like 3,000, 4,000 to 5,000 K. So anyway, hopefully I'm not making you too sick showing you all of this, but we decided in this room to do a ceiling, and inside the ceiling we have insulation that we put up. It's kind of like a noise cancellation insulation. I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the description. But that way, when you're upstairs, this is the kitchen, when you're upstairs in the kitchen and somebody's in their bedroom, or maybe there's a baby sleeping, it's not going to be super loud because we use that insulation on the walls and in the ceiling. And it turned out really nice. We're really excited. We've got to finish the doors, do a little bit of trim painting and patching, and then this room is completely ready for carpet. And we're super excited for carpet because that's getting close to being done. And then we can start moving in and adding any little details and all the furniture and do some decorating. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out all the other videos that we have right here or here. We have a playlist with all the basement remodeling that we've been doing because we've been doing such a big amount of work. We just thought we'd put that together. So enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video.